Josie here to show you through Nick's boat that's heading off to Tassie this morning. As you can see, it's a freezing cold morning and this boat is perfectly built to withstand these conditions. So Nick's formula is sitting on a beautiful 4-ton easy tow trailer. So Nick has gone with a grey colour scheme, so a bit different to the traditional black and white, and it's come up an absolute treat. He's got a trailer bra and his bimini and some very special features on the inside which we'll run through. So another feature we've got on this boat is the double seats, which is awesome for when you've got young kids and family that you want to take out and you want to make sure everyone's nice and secure and safe. As you can see, Nick's opted for a drop-down curtain, completely enclosing his cabin, which is an awesome feature, especially down in Tassie, to keep you nice and warm. It's really functional as well, so just zip it up and in, and close her up. So we've got a Furuno package on this boat, so we've got the two 12s, we're running a high, wide and a low transducer. Down the back we've got our bilge pumps, deck wash, and live bait tank pumps. Congratulations Nick and your family on this beautiful formula that you've put together. We can't wait to see it out on the water in Tassie.